Good morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. Come along, what do we have today? Today we have construction, and today we are going to be constructing angle 90 degrees, and we are going to bisect the angle 90 degrees. To bisect an angle means to cut it into equal halves. All right, so the first thing we need our compass and our pencil. We need another pencil for drawing the lines, and we need finally our ruler. So the first thing we can decide to draw, the first part of call, draw a line of any centimeter you like, it doesn't matter. From here, let's take 8 centimeter. Let's draw the line of 8 centimeter. Ensure that your drawing is neat. 8 centimeter. Now that's the first step. We can call this A, and this is point B. Now the first thing we'll now do, we'll draw an arc from point A. Put your compass on point A. Make an arc to cut the line AB. Draw an arc to cut the line AB. Now at this point where the arc has cut line AB, we can name it C, or we can name it anything we like, C. Now from here at point C, we'll make an arc from here, this point, cut this arc, the point where it cuts the arc, cut this point, then draw an arc here, up here, then from the point where it cut it at this point, bisect it, cut the arc rather. So from here we'll draw a straight line. We take our ruler, we draw a straight line to meet point A, and we have our 90 degrees. So we draw it from here. We have our 90 degrees. Very easy. Now for us to bisect angle 90 degrees, we still take our protractor. We don't adjust our compass. We don't adjust the length of the compass. At this point, what we do is we'll make an arc here. Draw an arc here at point C. Draw an arc here. Now this point here, you can call this point here D. At point D, you put your compass here. At this point here, you cut the arc that you have made here. You cut the arc that you have made here. Now, after you have cut it, the point where the two arcs cut each other, you take your ruler, draw it to point A. Draw it to point A. Draw it to point A. Make sure your line is neat. Draw it to point A. And here we go. We have our 45 degrees. You can take your protractor to measure it. Okay, put the end of the protractor here at this point. So can you see? This is angle 45 degrees. This is angle 90. Look at the 90 degrees here. Angle 90 degrees. Now look at where 45 is. 45 is between 40 and 50. Look at it, 45 at this point. So we have ended up constructing angle 90 degrees, then bisecting it to get 45 degrees. So from here to this point is 45 degrees, and this part is angle 90 degrees. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. If you enjoyed today's class, why not give us a like, Give us a share. Tell your friends about the Mickey Masters, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are here to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on wonderful content on the channel. Till meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.